Hello everyone, how are you doing? And guys, welcome back to the Easy Technology. Today we are talking about the specification and the interesting facts about OnePlus 70. So you guys as know that the mobile has just released, and many people are wondering about that what are the main features in this device. So guys, this device network is using is a GSM and released on the 26th September 2019, and the body dimensions are 160.9 multiplied by 74.4 and 8.1 mm, and you can say that the display is fluid AMOLED display in this mobile phone, and the size of the screen is 6.55 inches display, and we can say that the 86.5% screen to body ratio. And the most important thing in that is the memory card slot is not available in the OnePlus 70 device, and the internal space you will get when you buy this phone is 128 GB, and also you can get 256 GB, but the RAM of this device is 8 GB, and that is really much enough device RAM, you can say that in 2019. And the most important thing also includes the loudspeaker. Yes, it is with the stereo speakers, and you can say that the most important another thing is the battery size. Non-removable battery is available in this device, and you can say that the 3800 mAh battery, I think it is not the biggest size, and we need some kind of best batteries more, and you need to charge the device after the whole day. And the most important thing also in this device is that the camera, we have to discuss the camera, and the single 16 megapixel camera is available in this device, and 1080p videos you can record from the front camera as well. These are the main features available in the device OnePlus 70. So guys, the most important thing is that there is a triple camera also available, and that is 48 megapixel, and the one camera is 12 megapixel, and another 16 megapixel camera is available. You can say that the 48 megapixel camera is also a widest camera and can give you the widest shots, and the wide camera is 48 megapixel, and the 12 megapixel camera is telephoto camera, and the 16 megapixel camera available in OnePlus 70 is the ultra wide camera. These are the most important things that we have discussed in the video. For more related technology videos, you can subscribe to the channel and can support us and can appreciate us. Thank you for watching Easy Technology.